Me can ya say mamenka. Frame Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President. Me de me beka sa me kan yansa se me nidi obi atem. Sa akodi e. Sa akodi e. Ye wa ha. Ena December edu yudi nyomu pie ye. Eka kire se Nana Madum so etwa. Nana Amadum so etwa. Ena wama ye free water na free light. Enti Nana twaso sa akodi e. What is say Nana tasi ye levi ye nsuo sika. E levi ye light sika. E die na wo ka kire no. Wo ba abeka kire se Nana Madum so etu etwa ma ye nya adwuma akoso. Wo hu ne akoso e de. E die na wo ka fa hu ne awotumi hu a wo ba ye ne se wo ba odi gold e ba hihya wo se ho. Ano na be ma nkrofo na wo mo toto wo sidi e ma ne wo sa akode wo nya sika no. E ne be ma wo adwuma ye. You see what I've been saying about our so-called brainwashed musicians and actors and then all the business men in this country. Gold na ode shisha won sin ho na ode shisha won sound na wo yi ni video de kire yen. Wo de sere yen say yen jimie ena ya sponsor mo ya support mo ya toto mo nyom ena ne mo adane sikafo. Sa akode hwe wo video. That time na wo sha say na wanim enie comedy e de wo no wankasa wo ka wo nyum bebere na am ene wa ye a isese mo beje sika ye bribi akasa kire sa kromfo politicers no mo tumi aboa na mo man akọ na edim no na mo fo mo so because of coins bi e de be ma mo ene won say niam aji gui no gold na wo de hihye wo sen ho. Sonny Bedu. Oka say mamete me pa wasempa I love you. Me follow wache me pa onyom. Bansemfu wo a ye foaso enye. Sonny. Wo ba abonti be kasa na nsem afi wenum ba de bon. Anya me de. Frame Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President. So my be ye a. Agise sensemfu yi to twa. Oye nyame nipa oye osofo me so me ye osofo enti me hwe wanim na me kan no kore no e na me kire sa concert party no etuntwa wo ka say sa say e na obi kosuku e na wa bre e na wa ye dwumadin e na bebi anyame di na edru e na obi na den e na you know the mindset of your people, that's why you don't live there nsemfu akwa. You know the mindset of your people. That's why you don't live there. That's why you live in America. You were living outside there when you were starving. You came down to this country and then started this music, and we supported you. You came with what sort of so-called testimony? Say, pastors, I've used you, and then they've used you, and whatever. And I will see this, and then when you see car. What in America abrochire and I will catch and you know the mindset of your people, that's why you don't live there. And yena ye wo fuomu ho jesa yena ye chimi na yentina ansiesie na wo nanye musika ene ekomode wo no so enye book bia wo ye yanka wo beba bonti waka unsem hunu ni nyina echi no Ghana mindset of people who you don't live there. Wo be kika sanse huni na echi no. Udi book kire ye bebo a say commode. Say wo sempe ye sikedi. I am not insulting you. You people should stop doing all this nonsense. You are the reason why the white man think. Let me tell you, the so-called education all of you have been talking about, and I've done a PhD, I've done a whatever D and whatever D. Somebody's knowledge is what you are learning. What God has gifted you, you've dumped it in a baller, and you are learning nonsense. That is why you are not using. That is why in Africa we are not using our hairs. What the hell is going on? Somebody must wake you up from your slumber. You have slept enough. And then, I know the mindset of Niger Gaze Mekasa the last time. Ghana people, The same God that sent you to work for him, if he is the same God that asks you to say this thing, then he's not God, it's idol. In fact, it is a shame. Say shame on you. Sakwasi broni no jimiye and the krum no ye hopot anka obekwa kotina ho. Adenti na mon kotina Togo. Adenti na mon kotina Benin. Semfu akwa. When it is better you people shut up. The more you come out to say those nonsense, it's annoying us. We love our nation, no matter how rotted it is. Yana yema ho kwan. Ena jimie ni bedoso. Ena enkrofo bi a omo from ho mpenifo di nsemfun esa yo man na maye. Na emre aso say youth no ye befa ye daachi ahye ye nsem na ye grow the nation. If you will not join us to grow our nation and you keep on running away, you are teaching in a university or whatever I mean in your opa chirempo, running away to someone's land. Namu de didi yatem. I don't think that you need Jonas. I love this guy. I love his messages. But baby, ocean and grass in Kenya fumu. I don't like it. It is high time the nonsense stop. Fire blast you all.